Hi, everyone. We begin tonight with a surprising new development in the Holly Bobo case. New at 6, the director of the TBI, Mark Gwyn, could himself be called to testify.
This bizarre twist comes just one day after his agency indicted yet another suspect for Bobo's murder. Now, as News Channel 5's Nick Barris tells us exclusively, defense attorneys want to grill Director Gwyn under oath.
This is the letter just filed in Circuit Court in Decatur County. Defense attorney John Herbison is asking that subpoenas be sent to, among others, TBI Director Mark Gwyn, compelling him to be in court in about 2 weeks to answer some pointed questions about the Holly Bobo case.
So long as the court doesn't spank the prosecutors when they need spanking, that bad faith prosecution is going to continue.
Herbison, who represents Bobo murder suspect Jason Autry, is requesting subpoenas for TBI Director Gwyn and Decatur County District Attorney Matthew Stowe. You'll remember Gwyn and Stowe had a messy dispute over the Bobo case late last year, at which point the TBI temporarily stepped aside from the case. The reasons were never clearly explained. Herbison wants the specifics as to why the break happened.
That would be a very interesting question to put to Mr. Gwyn.
So there could be something there that the defense team could put their finger on or use in their defense.
So there you have it. The TBI director put, perhaps, in the uncomfortable position of answering questions that might actually help the defense. Could that really happen?
But I think there will be a little bit of a legal battle of these individuals trying to get out of coming to court and testifying about these certain circumstances.
Herbison also plans to press Gwyn and Stowe on why it's taken so long for the TBI and prosecutors to provide discovery to the defense. Without the DNA testing results on evidence like Holly Bobo's skull, Herbison says they've been unable to prepare for trial. And he's now asked the judge to drop the charges against his client, Autry.
It's very relevant to what we have alleged as grounds for dismissal of this indictment.
The subpoenas will likely be delivered sometime next week, so at this point it's unclear whether or not Director Gwyn and the others will object. But John Herbison says he expects them to show, and he says he's going to be ready for them. Nick Barris, News Channel 5 HD.
Herbison says the subpoenas will call for Director Gwyn and General Stowe to be there at the next Holly Bobo hearing on June 3rd. Barring any legal challenge at that time, Herbison says they will be expected to take the stand and answer questions under oath.